Welcome to Vitrium's how-to video series. In this video, we're going to be examining DRM policies. DRM policies are the settings that control permissions and restrictions to your content. They define things such as who can access your content and how. They control subscription or date range-based access, can determine browser or device limits, outlines print limits, and more. In this video, we're going to take a look at what offline access is and how to set it up for your users. Setting a time limit here is going to allow your end user the opportunity to save a cached copy of the document to their device for access when their network is offline. You can choose weeks, days, hours, or minutes here. When this feature is active, you will see the save icon appear in the top right corner of the secure web browser. Clicking on this icon will start the time period defined in the DRM policy. You'll want to make sure that you remind your end users to bookmark the URL in order for them to be able to access it when offline. If they would like to remove the document from their device, all they will need to do is click on the trash icon in the right-hand corner that appears where the save icon did. They will be asked to confirm. Once you click yes, the document will be deleted from their browser and their device. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos and our knowledge base online.